Want to use Miracast on Windows? Here is how you can do it. This is the Windows Club. Miracast is a standard for wireless connections from devices like laptops, tablets, smartphones, etc. to external displays or larger screen like TVs or monitors. It can broadly be described as HDMI over Wi-Fi, replacing the cable from the device to the display and making it work on a wireless network. Nowadays, Miracast support comes built into the device, and it was first offered in Windows 8.1. There are many advantages of using Miracast. The list includes faster connect projection, works over the existing network, works with older wireless hardware, and automatic detection of receiver support. Here we have shown how you can set it up. Let's get started. Step 1. The first thing you need to do is check if Miracast is supported on your device. Press Win+R on your keyboard and then type in dxdiag and hit enter. Press the Save All Information button located at the bottom and save the text file at the desired locations. Now open the text file and look for Miracast, and next to it will be the current availability status. Step 2. The next thing you need to do is get the current Miracast drivers for your PC. Microsoft offers an app available in the Microsoft Store, Microsoft Wireless Display Adapter, that you can install. Once installed, it will also install the wireless driver that will work with your current display if it supports Miracast out of the box. If not, press the Windows plus I keys to open Windows settings. Click on Windows Update. Select Advanced Options. Click on Optional Updates. Locate the driver for the third-party Miracast adapter or Miracast receiver and install it. Step 3. Now to set up and use Miracast on your Windows PC, here is what you need to do. If your TV comes with built-in Miracast support, then turn it on. Else, connect the external adapter into the HDMI port of your television and power it on. Now on your Windows PC, open Settings and click on Bluetooth and Devices. Select Add a device and wait for the adapter to appear in the list. Click on the receiving adapter, and that's all. You have set up the wireless display. You can now configure both the displays by pressing Windows plus P keys and selecting a relevant option. So that's it. Subscribe to the Windows Club for all your tech solutions related to Windows. Thanks for watching.